Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to download Forza including the premium edition so you can enjoy the full experience without wasting any time. Let's get started. The first thing we need to do is open Microsoft Store on your PC. Once it is open, go to the search bar and type Forza Horizon. You will see different versions of the game available including the standard and premium editions. If you want to purchase the game, click on the edition you prefer. For example, the premium edition comes with extra contents, so if you want the full experience, you might consider getting that one. Once you have selected your edition, click on that buy button. You can also gift it to someone by clicking on this little icon. But for now, let's click on buy. After that, you will be taken to the payment screen. Here you can choose your payment method, whether it is a credit card, debit card, PayPal or another available option. If you have not added a payment method before, simply enter your details and proceed to checkout. Once your payment is confirmed, the game will be added to your library and you can start downloading it immediately.